In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create mockup on Canva. So if you have found this video helpful, please consider like and subscribing. So first, I open this Canva on my PC. So I open this design. Now I need to click on this app option. Then here I type mockup. So you can see I found it's number one. So here's the tons of type of mockup. Also, first of all, you need to choose which type of mockup you need one. Your purpose, I select apparels. You can choose any others as well. So if I select this video, this photo. Okay, now I'm to just doing this bigger size for seeing beautiful. Okay, this is good. Now again, if you want to upload your own mockup on here, my own mockup design on here, you can able to upload, but only for example purpose I upload from Canva. So here is a type design. So I type only for only on here. You can choose any others as well. Okay, I type this one. You can choose any others as well. This one is good. Now just it's drag and drop on your mockup. Wow, it's successfully putting this mockup. So if you are not satisfying by this mockup, you can just double click on this mockup, then you can resize it. Then yeah, I recommend you for click on the feet, then click on apply changes. It's automatically resize on your mockup. It's looking better if I compare before design. So this is a method how you can create mockup on Canva. Now you need to just click on share and download as a JPG or PNG as well, whatever you want. Thanks for watching. See you again. Take care. Goodbye.